Okay, I think we're recording. So I'm going to title this video Things That You Have to Accept When You Come to the Philippines. So this is the alleyway coming out of the place where I live. A private gate. So about 5 days ago, hello, the water leak. So about 5 days ago, there was a machine out here busting up concrete, poking holes like that, to tear up the road so they can put that new sewer line in. So they hit a water main. I don't know if you can see it still running. They've got rocks covering it up, so it was shooting up in the air. That was 5 days ago. They didn't even stop. You know, the construction just kept on going. They didn't even stop. They didn't shut the power. They'll fix the water line, and that's a major. That water line supplies that whole neighborhood going down there, going down the street. The entire neighborhood has either low pressure or no water pressure, or no water. They just kept on going. Then they come back and come through here, tear up all the concrete. So all these houses up and down this road, and I'm gonna try to walk. This is how I have to get out now. Just to walk out. If you have a motorbike, you're stuck. How are you gonna take a motorbike down this road? So if you're in the neighborhood, you can't get out. So what they do here, I saw over here a couple of nights ago, they got moving bricks around and build him a ramp and make his own way to get his motorbike through here to get it out. So I haven't seen what they did since yesterday, so I don't know if I can get through. It's muddy there too.
Tapos balik siya na.
Too much mud that way. We're gonna go this way. It's crazy. So I'll just go watch what I'm doing. Here. You got power lines in the water. It's all messed up. All these businesses blocked off, and they're tearing up the road. And nobody knows how long it's going to take. So here what they do is if they tear up so bad that you can't get your motorbike out, or can't even walk out of your property, and if it takes too long, and the Filipinos get fed up with it, they just move and find another house. So you basically have a couple of choices. You either make it work, or you either make it work, figure out your own way, or you move like they do. So these are just some things. You gotta accept certain things here. You come to this country, you do like they do. Me, my roommate's got a motorbike and we're gonna move it out, try to get it out of there, so we don't have to go through that. You know, move it up to the street where it's safe, where at least we can walk out and still be able to use a motorbike to travel. Yeah. Pretty crazy. I'm gonna continue to walk on and show you what the street looks like. Wow. We've got backing down this road anyway.
Right?
Yeah. No, thank you. So these are all the shops. And this is 7-Eleven. I'm gonna go here and buy some cigarettes real quick. You can watch and see how much it costs. Let me get me a tea. So 32 pesos for that tea. So I don't know what 32 pesos, like 65 cents maybe. 50 pesos is $1. So whatever the math is on that. But this is 7-Eleven. Looks real similar to America, just smaller. This is a good place to go whenever it's hot outside. They have air conditioning in here. You can come in here, cool down for a minute. Yep, there's a liquor aisle. So, I don't know if you can see that. Jack Daniel's 1370 pesos. It's about $24. Then you can come around and go with the local brands. You get whiskey for like $2. Like this one, 160 White Castle whiskey. For like $3 for a whole fifth. Captain Morgan. It's like $10. A local Tandaway for a pint, $2. It's crazy you can buy that for Buy a whole fifth for that for $1.30, but the pint's more expensive. Still no Dr. Pepper though. Hello. Can I get 2 of the camel yellow? The yeah. 2. Yeah, tins, yeah.